Welcome back to BezReviews, where we break down the latest products so you know exactly what you are getting. Today, we are looking at the Chefman Crispinator Air Fryer, a 7-in-1 kitchen appliance with an 8-quart capacity. This model promises fast, even cooking with its TurboFry Pro technology and a high 450-degree Fahrenheit maximum temperature. Let's dive into the core performance of the Chefman Crispinator, examining its cooking capabilities. With 7 cooking functions, including air frying, baking, broiling, and dehydrating, this appliance handles a wide variety of meals easily. Its 450-degree Fahrenheit maximum temperature and TurboFry Pro technology mean faster cooking and crispier, juicier results for your favorite foods. The substantial 8-quart air fryer basket is designed with a low profile to maximize cooking space, perfect for feeding. Automatic shake and flip reminders midway through cooking help ensure an even golden brown crisp on every meal you prepare, enhancing. Overall, the Crispinator offers powerful cooking performance and impressive versatility, making it a solid contender. Next, let's explore how the Chefman Crispinator is designed to enhance your daily cooking. The PFAS-free, non-stick ceramic-coated basket and removable tray are dishwasher safe, making cleanup as easy as the cooking itself. A built-in viewing window with an interior light lets you watch your food without interrupting the cooking process, adding great. This appliance won a 2024 Red Dot Design Award, signifying excellent design, and it comes with a strong 5-year assurance. Priced at $109.99, down from $159.99, this air fryer presents a good value proposition for its extensive features and large. In terms of design and user experience, the Chefman Crispinator brings thoughtful features that genuinely improve. The Chefman Crispinator air fryer stands out with its impressive versatility, large capacity, and user-friendly design. It combines multiple cooking functions into one sleek appliance, making it a great addition to any kitchen looking to streamline its cooking process.